Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to try this Consuka. It's basically using this cream silk conditioner and a apple cider vinegar. You can use any conditioner, whatever you have. Some also people I saw on YouTube, they using a vinegar that we can get in the store. So for me, I have this already, and I have this cream silk. So this is two products that I'm going to use. The apple cider vinegar, this is with the mother. So I use those for my dandruff. It's really help, but you don't use that one too much because it has a pretty strong scent. I have thick and long hair, so I have this cup. Gunting. Gamitin ko yung gunting para sa pagkakat nitong cream silk. I don't have measurement right now. Usually it's up to you how much products or apple cider vinegar to use for your hair. Tapos ko na mix sila. So, yung amoy medyo is pretty strong. Pero yung conditioner na nilagay ko, naamoy ko din. So, I really love the smell of the conditioner. So, tamang-tama lang yung amoy niya. Maliligo muna ako, guys. Hindi ko magpakita sa inyo paano ako maligo. So I will be right back and I see you guys in a minute. So guys, I just get out from the shower. Yung buhok ko basang-basa na siya. So right now yung Consuka conditioner at saka cider vinegar, I'm gonna put that one to my hair. Ito na guys. So, mayroon akong hair mask dito. Ito siya. So, mayroon din akong hair tie. So, I'm just gonna apply that one here and sink. Dito, guys. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wait for 25 minutes, then after that I'm gonna wash afterwards. It's not look cute, so it's time for me to take off, guys. The apple cider vinegar is the over yung amoy niya, lalong lumalabas kaysa conditioner. Hindi naman siya bad. So next time if I do this again, I have to use more conditioner. I believe the apple cider vinegar worked pretty well for my dandruff because that's the things that I've been using for my flaky and dandruff. I'm going to wash this off, so I'm planning to going back to downstairs. I just wanting to try this. I'm being so curious. So anyway guys, I'm gonna wash this off and I'll be right back. So guys, nandito ako sa tub. I'm just going to wash my hair kasi kailangan i-wash ko siya. Tapos I think I'm gonna use a little bit amount of shampoo. So this is the shampoo that I use, guys, to take up a little bit the scent of apple cider vinegar. Maybe I put too much, so we'll see. Guys, kakalabas ko lang sa pag-wash ng buhok ko. It's very soft naman yung buhok ko, yung kalabasan. Sobrang basa. So yung buhok ko, sobrang feel na soft siya. When I brush my hair and also less falling, I think I'm gonna use this one again, guys, because I really love. But next time I only put a little bit amount of a cider vinegar because it's pretty strong, and then I put more conditioner because why not? It's really nice to touch my hair and very soft. So yeah, it's for me, guys, it's work. The only thing is if you don't like that apple cider vinegar scent, so you had to cut the one back so that way it would not very strong. But for me, guys, it's not bothering, and I can see my hair is so soft and shiny.